It's Champ Vlogs, you know the vibes. BMW's here. Today we are installing the new bumper, which you guys saw in a previous, or like 2 videos ago, I don't know. But we're installing that today. That's the move. Let the vlogs begin. So first things first, you're gonna want to take out the headlights. I'm sorry, I need to charge my camera real quick, so for this moment only, I'm just taking these out without showing you guys. Everything else, I'll show you, but the headlights, like YouTube it, it's like one bolt, another bolt, then it's one bolt down here. If you can see that, that bolt's already been taken out though. So just those 3 bolts, you'll need to take out the bottom trim, and then you can pull basically the headlights out. After that, we'll go from there. All right, ladies and gentlemen, so let me just give you guys a quick update. For all E46s, BMW's made like a million different, it's like 10 or 12 different front bumpers. Mine's a coupe, just to give you guys a quick thing. I have a coupe E46. Front bumpers are gonna be different for each other. When you take the headlights off, there's gonna be these little pieces right here. And basically it's 10mm sockets. One right here, and then the same thing on this side. There's 2 on this side. Once you take those off, they connect it to the bumper. Then on the inside of the wheel well, or wheel section or whatever, there's going to be little, I'll probably see if I'll move the wheel, but there's bolts right here as well. There's 8, and they go along the side. There's only 3 of them. You have to take those out as well. There's supposed to be 8 at the bottom as well, but my car didn't have them. I don't know if that means somebody replaced the bumper already, or if there was an issue and it just came off. I have no idea, but it's supposed to be 8mm bolts all along the bottom as well. So I didn't have that issue, so that was taken care of. And for this specific bumper, you're gonna have the 2 fog lights on the sides, and basically your fog lights sit like this with the little pieces right here. These pieces you can pull out, you just have to angle it. If you can see, it has a little clip. You just, when it's inside, you basically pull down, try to angle it and just pull it out. And then for your fog lights, they sit inwards, so there's going to be a screw right here, and there's going to be a screw on that one too you need to take out. It's just a regular Phillips. You do those and these come right out, and obviously you have your lights. So last but not least is this bolt. Now I'm having an issue right now because I was able to get this one out. There's 2 big ones. These connect to the crash bar. There's gonna be one right over here and then one right here, and basically it's just 2 parts that connect to the crash bar, because your bumper is supposed to connect to the crash bar. You need to have one of these. It is I'm not sure how to explain it to you. It's a E12 torque. Hey guys, just a quick clarification on this situation. I'm gonna skip past this because this specific piece that I got was not the right one. It was actually, it is called an E12, but I think it was an E6 that you needed from mine. I ended up doing it and basically like rounding out my bolt. So you wanna just make sure that you're getting the right one when you get this one. I said E12, but it might be an E6. But it's basically that same pattern that you see. It's basically the same pattern as that, but it might be 6 instead of 12. I was using the 12, forcing it in there to get it, and it wasn't working out. So it's really a 6. Again, it all depends on the bolt that's used in your crash bar. So I just had to clarify that up because I messed mine up and I realized it afterwards, and I got my assistance on getting this thing fixed, which you'll see later in the video. But yeah, it's a 6. Not a 12. It all depends on the bolts, that bolt that you get, and yeah, so sorry. I got one part, and it basically, the bumper is basically like halfway off. I just have to get this last piece, and then I can take the whole thing off. So wish me luck, please wish me luck. All right, so we're back. This is actually the 2nd day now. I had so many issues trying to find what to do as far as getting that strip bolt out. I figured out a way and I got it out. So now we're gonna take the rest of the bumper off and try to put the new one on today so we can get this done. Let's go. I just want to show for the old bumper, it came with the plastic mesh piece or whatever. Looks very cool. I cannot wait to put this on. I'm so excited. I officially have off my front bumper. This is so weird. Now I have to get the crash bar out, which is the big metal piece, and put that in the new one. There are these pieces on the crash bar. Again, it might be different for you, but these little black pieces have to come out because it's basically holding down the crash bar onto the old bumper. So yeah, let's try that. Alright, we got the crash bar off, as you can see. Now we just need to put on the new one. I'm about to lay out the plastic now so we can get that going. Boys, oh my god. I still gotta adjust a little bit, but oh my god. We're getting there. It's looking great. I'm so excited. Alright, we gotta wrap this up real quick before my camera dies. The bumper's officially on. It looks so cool. It just looks so good. The only thing is, I know it's gonna annoy a lot of people. It's not paint match, it doesn't match the paint, but it just looks a lot better than my OEM one. I love it a lot, so it looks great. Before we wrap this video up, I'm gonna be taking some pictures just to see how it looks with the new bumper on. Hopefully it looks cool. I'm not sure. I guess we'll see when we go out and do it. So let's go do that. And yeah, this is crazy, man. Sheesh. All right, so I didn't get a chance to take the pictures. It was really dark and didn't really know what I was doing. But just so y'all can see, here's the bumper. This has been a couple days since I installed the bumper. I've driven around on it, done over like 60 miles per hour, 70, 80. Just so I can get a good view of it and see how it turned out. And everything's fitting perfectly. I was able to get some type of pictures a separate day from the day I recorded, and I'll put them here so you guys can see them. But overall, I'm super satisfied. We're getting this bumper painted very soon, so stay tuned for that. It's raining right now, so it kind of looks like it's painted already, but you can definitely tell it's still not. So that's getting done pretty soon. Hopefully when we're done doing that, we'll be on to the next thing, get this fitment right. That's what I'm really excited for, so that's what's next on the list. But thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please leave a like, subscribe to the channel if you guys are brand new. We'll catch you guys in the next one. It's your boy Champ Vlogs, and we out.